Incoming call. I've put it on screen. There is a call for you. Do you wish to ignore? This call might be important.
Okay, today I will attempt to print a poster using the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-300. As you can see here, there's a power button. We should connect it the USB cable first here. Let's see. Already connected. And we press this. We have to wait until the system is initialized. Okay, the notification is ready to print, and it's automatically detected the Canon from our stations. And don't forget to select based on our poster. In this occasion I will choose the A0. Then hit the print button. Printing. Then the poster is still in the progress. For me, I think the process is pretty straightforward. Then the process is complete. Pretty straightforward and easy to use, in my opinion.